Not long ago, Chinese fighter jets were dismissed as reverse-engineered relics of the Soviet design. They appeared modern but lacked combat pedigree. Also, the analyst questioned whether the People's Liberation Army Air Force could match the Western Air Forces in capability, resilience, or the technological sophistication. That skepticism appears to be fading. The recent development shows that the Chinese air power is not only advancing but also maturing. With its fifth generation stealth fighters and sixth generation designs, the China is shifting from the imitation to innovation and from the regional ambition to the global competition. A dragon has at least entered the skies and its ascent deserves the close strategic attention. For many years, China's military aviation progressed without the direct operational validation. No matter how many aircraft China built or exported, none of them have been tested in a high-stakes battle. That has changed when the Pakistani Air Force repeatedly have deployed the Chinese-made J-10C during an aerial clash with India last week. As confirmed by the US official speaking anonymously, the J-10C fighter jets equipped with the Chinese PL-15 missile shot down at least 2 Indian jets, including one French-made Rafale. The success of the J-10C, featuring an advanced radar system called an Active Electronically Scanned Array, that is AESA, is the first in combat for the Chinese aircraft using the domestic systems. It represented a breakthrough moment as the Chinese air power turns theory into practice. The performance of the J-10C revealed more technological maturity. It demonstrated a doctrinal shift that the Chinese has embraced the ecosystem-centric warfare. This approach prioritizes information dominance, situational awareness, and the coordination of the multiple assets. In its evolution, that mirrored the strategies pioneered by the United States but is tailored to the Chinese strength in mass production and the system integration. The rise of the Chinese air power is not solely the result of better designs, it is underpinned by the deep industrial reform. China has developed a vertically integrated aerospace manufacturing sector which no longer depends on the Russian parts or foreign technologies. Today's advanced fighters such as J-20 are produced at scale using the domestic WS-15 engines, digital avionics, and the low observable coatings. More than 200 J-20s have been fielded, reflecting not only the technological competence but also country's ability to build and sustain an advanced air fleet. Also, China is no longer content with the catching up, it's now seek to the lead. This ambition is evident in its pursuit of the sixth generation aircraft, including what has been unofficially dubbed as the J-36.